Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today apparently is Tummy Tuesday. So guys, I just posted a video with my Dollar Tree haul and I was like, oh, Dollar Tree haul, it's gonna be fun. And then someone said, hey, no Tummy Tuesday today? And I was like, oh wait, it is Tuesday. So I decided to just post 2 videos and grab my phone and film another one for you guys because I have an amazing one for Tummy Tuesday that everybody should know about that I'm pretty excited to talk to you guys about, which is chia seeds. So guys, chia seeds are legit seeds. I'll actually open them up so you guys can see them. Pour just a little bit out. Oh, that was a lot. So they're actually legit seeds. Now, we're going to talk about the benefits of chia seeds, and then we're also going to talk about how to use chia seeds because, of course, there's the obvious just open them up and chew them, but I don't think that that's a great idea. So, because it's probably not going to taste or function well in your mouth. So let's talk about chia seeds, the health benefits of them, because they are just really packed with a lot of great things. Now, chia seeds are really high in protein, so it can add a lot of protein to your diet. And they are also high in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, when everybody hears omega-3 fatty acids, the first thing they think is salmon. You should eat salmon, eat tons of salmon. You're not gonna get omega-3s unless you eat salmon. Well, chia seeds actually have more salmon per gram, or sorry, more omega-3s per gram than salmon actually does. So it's something that is just really, really packed with a lot of nutrients and greatness. Now, the other thing that makes chia seeds the most amazing little seed ever, and that they are just a powerhouse for your body, is the fact that these little things are packed with fiber. In fact, 1 serving of chia seeds can provide you with 11 grams of fiber. And 1 serving is about 28 grams. So eating these can do a lot for your tummy, because if you know one thing about your tummy, the one thing that can make your stomach just completely start functioning correctly and take all of the pain out of your stomach, all the inflammation out of your stomach, all of the constipation, anything like that away from your tummy, it's going to be fiber. Fiber is the one thing that moves everything throughout your GI tract and your colon to be able to make you absorb all the good nutrients that you're then putting into your bodies with your healthy eating. So with the healthy fiber that chia seeds are providing you, this can help you lose weight. It can reduce the risk of heart disease because your body isn't retaining a lot of fat and creating more fat cells. And then it also can reduce your risk of diabetes because it lowers your blood sugar. So these little things are packed with a lot of great benefits for you. And eating chia seeds, you will see that it will start to cleanse your body. One of the reasons why I've been having face breakouts, oops, that popped. One of the reasons why I've been having face breakouts is because chia seeds detox your body. So all those things that are going crazy in your liver or your kidneys or just in your intestines, it starts bringing them out of your body. And a lot of times they come out through the skin, through acne. So the nice part though is that once you get your body cleansed and once you get your body detoxed, then you have beautiful glowing skin, which is what I am waiting for because yeah, I have been feeling a lot better by adding chia seeds to my diet every single day, but the skin, it's crazy. So I'm just waiting for that to clear up, guys. Now, the important thing is how to use it, because now you know about this great little packed amazing seed that is going to help detox your body, help cleanse your body, and help you lose weight, help you maintain your health, all those different things. But how do you use it? Now, a lot of people will make chia pudding where they basically just take chia seeds and they soak them in milk overnight, and then you can add like maple syrup or something like that, like a sweetener. Agave might be a good one, honey might be a good one. I try not to add too many different things like sweeteners to my chia seeds just because I don't want to add a bunch of sugar to something that's very healthy to me. So a lot of times when I use chia seeds, I just simply have chia seeds that are grounded. So basically just take these, throw them in a grinder, make these. And then I just sprinkle this over some yogurt or some oatmeal. Now, Mr. Benson does not like yogurt and or oatmeal, so I take his chia seeds and I sprinkle it into his eggs every morning. And this is something that if you have a picky eater, now chia seeds do not have a taste to it. If you were to just take chia seeds, put them in your mouth, they would expand. So that's something that, and they have like a little gel coating on them when they expand. So that's something that people would notice if they were just eating chia seeds. But if you take chia seeds, mix them in some eggs, and then scramble them up, it kind of just looks like pepper. And so nobody notices. So the nice part is you get all those health benefits into your picky eater without the problem of them being like, what is this? Now, my only drawback that I would say with chia seeds is that remember that this is 11 grams of fiber per serving. So if you eat chia seeds 3 times a day with every single meal, you will be running to the bathroom because that's a lot of fiber, and more fiber than you actually need. So make sure that you're just using it like once a day. If you're having some issues like stomach issues or anything like that, you can use it once a day for like a week. If not, use it once a week or once ever 2 times a week or 3 times a week, or however you feel like your body should need it. Best thing to do is to eat it in the morning. That way your body has time to digest it and process it, and then at night, then you can do your business, because you don't want to eat it at night and then need to do your business in the morning, because that's never convenient. So that's all I have, guys. This is an amazing little seed. I hope you guys look it up and add it to your routine of how you're going to take care of your body and reduce inflammation and cure your stomach, because that is one of the most important things you guys can do. So until next time, make sure you guys grow yourselves a garden, because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye, guys.